principle of duality. What is a debit and what is a credit? The conventional account is normally in the form of a T, with debits on the left and credits on the right. If we think back to the 200 shirts that we bought for 20,000, we know that the something that was received is debited, while the something that's given out is credited. So, in this case, we know that our purchases is debited with 20,000, while our cash is credited with 20,000. So does this mean that debit always increase and credit always decrease? Well, no. To know which account increases and which account decreases when debited or credited, we use a neat little trick called dealer. So dealer stands for dividends, expenses, assets, liabilities, equity, and revenue. So dividends, expenses, and assets is increased when debited and decreased when credited, while your liabilities, equities, and revenue decreases when debited and increases when credited. Let's look at the example where we bought 200 gym shirts to resell for 20,000 rands on credit, and how we can use dealer to know which side to debit and which side to credit. So now we know that the gym shirts is an asset and an asset increase on the debit side. So in this case, we know that the gym shirts is inventory. It is increasing, so for that will increase the debit side with 20,000 rand. While we bought the shirts on credit, which is a liability, and our liability is also increasing, meaning that our accounts payable will be credited with 20,000 rand. And the principle of duality is simply that for every debit, there is an equal and opposite credit, and vice versa. But with dealer, it's just easy to see which account, whether account is debited or credited. It just makes life so simple. So there it is, the principle of duality. I hope this is a clear understanding. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave it.